In the previous chapter, we discussed about Indian economics, balance of payments, and external factors. From today, in this video, we are going to discuss about international economic organizations and current affairs integration. So the coming videos will be about current affairs. Now, core international economic organizations. Let's start with IMF, International Monetary Fund, headquarters in Washington, D.C., USA. Key functions: promotes global monetary cooperation, financial stability, and international trade, provides financial assistance, balance of payments, support to members facing economic crisis. So key publications: World Economic Outlook, Global Financial Stability Report. These are the key publications. The World Economic Outlook and Global Financial Stability Report. India status engagement. India is a founding member. 1944 is when this organization started. The finance minister is the ex officio governor. India holds a quota which determines its financial contribution, voting power, and access to funding. Next is World Bank Group. World Bank Group, Washington, D.C., USA, aims to reduce poverty and build shared prosperity in developing countries, provide loans, credits, and grants for development projects, consists of 5 institutions including International Bank for Reconstruction and Development and International Development Association. IDA. So key publications are World Development Report, Ease of Doing Business Report, which is discontinued now. As a founding member, India is a major recipient of loans from IBRD and credits from IDA. The relationship is evolving into a knowledge partnership. Okay, so this part is clear. So World Bank Group we've already seen. Next one is ADB, Asian Development Bank. Manila, Philippines, that's the headquarters. Promotes social and economic development in Asia and the Pacific, provides loans, technical assistance, grants, and equity investments to support infrastructure, environment, and regional cooperation. Founding member, India is the 4th largest shareholder and one of the largest borrowers from Asian Development Bank. Let's move further. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, Beijing, China. Multilateral development bank that focuses on financing, infrastructure, and other productive sectors in Asia and beyond for sustainable economic development. Annual reports focus on sustainable infrastructure. Founding member and the second largest shareholder after China is India, India is the largest borrower from AIIB for projects like urban infrastructure and power. Next is BRICS Bank (NDB), New Development Bank, Shanghai, China, a multilateral development bank established by the BRICS states Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa to mobilize resources for infrastructure and sustainable development projects in BRICS and other emerging economies. BRICS Economic Bulletin various publications on infrastructure and financing. Founding member, all founding members have equal voting rights, which differentiates it from the World Bank and IMF. Next is India's engagement with international economic institutions. India's strategy is one of the multi-alignment, engaging with both established IMF, World Bank, and new AAIB, NDB institutions. A key focus is on advocating for reforms to increase the representation of emerging economies within these institutions. India leverages these relationships to secure funding for large-scale development projects, particularly in infrastructure, clean energy, and sustainable urban development, aligning with its climate goals and sustainable development goals. Let's move to the questions. Now, there are lots and lots of full forms to be not to be learned. These it will become very difficult if you are learning because as far as prelims are concerned, they're not asking you any of the full forms. You should understand what are the functions and whether these functions you understand who performs which function. So we'll be looking at questions and we'll get to understand that who performs which functions. So that is why I'm not spending much time on the full forms and all. I never do that because I know this is not going to. Rote learning is something which is not checked over there, not at all important. Okay, so UPSC Civil Services Prelims 2022 Rapid Financing Instrument and Rapid Credit Facility are related. Financing instrument, credit facility. I think so both of them are taken care by, yes, IMF को होना चाहिए ना. ये आंसर में नेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड है. आंसर बी बोल रहे हैं. ओके, शायद ये बहुत जल्दी आंसर आ रहा है आपके सामने, बट I generally close my eyes to revise that what I think is the answer. Yes, let's look at the explanation. Rapid financing instrument and rapid credit facility are lending tools of IMF designed to provide rapid financial assistance to member countries facing an urgent balance of payments needed. They are used for immediate funding during times of crisis without the need for a full-fledged program. Next one is with reference to the International Monetary and Financial Committee. Consider the following. IMFC discusses matters of concern affecting global economy. International Monetary and Financial Committee discusses affecting the global economy and advises the International Monetary Fund on the direction of its work. Okay, yes. World Bank participates as observer in IMFC's meetings. Which of the statements given above are correct? Okay, so both 1 and 2. Let's look at the explanation. Both statements are correct. IMFC is a key body providing strategic direction to the IMF. The World Bank President and the Chair of the Development Committee, a joint IMF World Bank body, participate as observers in the IMFC's meetings and underscoring the coordinations between the Bretton Woods twins.